everyone again. This is Oscar again from Bureau Production. Another day, another vlog. Actually, I'm just happy that is just his line. Okay. Anyway, good morning, everyone. It's me here again, and I have to continue with video series that I just find out. I have another extra hours. For now, so I had to continue. What I've been discussing earlier, and have done a video earlier with regards to how to create your custom conversion. Okay, and now I'm just gonna have to discuss this topic on how you are going to create a look-alike audience. Okay, do you remember you did set up on how to create your custom audience, and this time it's gonna be kind of like a continuation on that part where you create your custom audience and you going to add a look-alike under your custom audience. What is custom audience look-alike? Okay, custom audience look-alike is kind of like upon placing your ads and you create, let's say, a million, let's say 1 million viewers on your first ad, right? Okay, so what look-alike is that 1 million by creating your look-alike audience. What Facebook does is Facebook will go and search a visitor with the same targeted audience, targeted interests of that 1 million, meaning that 1 million can be multiplied in, let's say, 5 times or 6 times, 7 times or 8 times or more than. That is what is look-alike, or what you can get or benefiting, on creating your custom audience look-alike. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna go over ahead and get over to, let's say, this is the one that we did right last time, the lookalike visitor. Okay, the custom audience. Okay, we're here right now. Okay, so in order for you to create a lookalike, is all you just need to do is you have this already populated, right? You have let's say this is just a sample, right? Let's say if you run this custom audience on your first advertisement and you're gonna do a retargeting and it accumulate, let's say, or it populate 1 million audience, and you're gonna use it again for your retargeting, your audience, say 1 million, and what lookalike does is it will multiply them, like by doing this. Okay, so we're here. We are going to create a lookalike audience, and it's very, very simple. It's right here. From that amount, you're going to create a lookalike. Bam, hit that one. Okay, so you can see here, visitor will visit landing page. Okay, browse around. Which country? You have to target your specific country that you're going to create your lookalike audience. Okay, let's say if you wanted to be just on your local market, wherever you are. Let's say if you're from Africa, if you're from Asia, Central America, North America, just target those area. You don't want to go over around the world, and you cannot provide services from those countries or area. or place, right? So if you are selling product or services just on a local basis, so just target your, place or country that you are wanted to have on your ads. Okay, so like here, for example, I'm just gonna target Canada because that is where I'm just gonna offer my wedding and video services. So basically, it's just in Canada. Okay, I'm not some kind of like production or photographer who can go on a destination, or we're not in there yet. We're not in there yet. Probably in the future, we're gonna go wedding destination, Bermuda. We're gonna go anywhere around the world. So that's how it is, right? So, but if you are selling product like physical product, e-commerce, I have e-commerce. That's why on my other website where I'm selling goods, related into product I'm doing right now. So yeah, I sell worldwide. So what I do is I target an audience who has a look-alike, from anywhere around the world. That's how I target my market. Okay, but for now I'm just gonna give you a sample, and this is where we're gonna go, just around Canada. See the sizes. Its audience sizes range from 1 to 10%. The total population in the country you choose, with 1 being those the most closely match your source. 1% that most closely match your source, meaning the one that you created on your landing page. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to that one, create audience. Okay, create audience, see what happened. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Okay, we did it. Okay, what happened is we use this custom audience, visit landing page, and we did create a look-alike audience. Here you can see visitor will visit landing page, updating audience, look-alike. It's the same thing. So I'm gonna check this out. Size 20, look-alike, edit, add a description. I don't need that. Submit. Okay, so there you go. Gonna go back over to that. So you see, today is 11/21. Yes, we did create our look-alike audience from 1% to let's see, visitor landing page. Okay, we did successfully create our look-alike audience, and it just needed to populate audience. Okay, and when it's done, what you're going to see is the amount of people when you use this on your ad, creating your ads. This is what how much would Facebook will target as a look-alike audience. That's where, let's say here, I'm just gonna cite you an example here. Okay, the B-roll production I create under my right here, the B-roll production page view. People who visit page view, right, under custom audience, and it has 200 at least reach. And what happened when I did create a look-alike, it multiply, from 200 under 1% audience, multiply to 230,000. Uh, you remember what they say, possible or more likely, to convert or get in. So that's how it is. That's how you going to take advantage of this creating all this Facebook are offering. I hope it makes sense. So from 2% to 5%, that same thing. If you're gonna use this on your creating your Facebook ads, it's the same thing, page view, right? So it reached up to 710,000, and it's already means you can use it. Same thing here. Video production page view, 230,000. I wonder why this is. Oh, this is 1 to 2%. Okay, this one is 2% to 5% audience. And the one that we did just now, 200 people reached as a custom audience, and now they are populating. Okay, there's no result yet. Okay, when we get back later, you will see how many audiences would be, the result that you can target when it's done populating the look-alike audience. So that's it. It is very simple. It's not so complicated. That's what you think it is. But, this thing will help a lot in building, creating, and advertise on your Facebook page. Okay? I still have another probably an hour, time that I want to use, so probably I'm gonna do one more video tutorial, and that is gonna be the I think I'm gonna do that next time, because it's a little complicated, or if I get chance, I will do that right now. Anyway, if you find again something value on this tutorial that I have did, as always, just smash the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like our fan page, Facebook page, on our Facebook accounts. It's called Biro Production. And that's it. Again, have a wonderful day, and keep learning and keep shooting. Bye. Have a good day.